Meanwhile, back at the plot...
Son of a bitch! This can't be happening! I'm the prince! I'm supposed to be the best by default! I'll show that little bastard! I'll become the mighty Ozaru and crush him into the... Where's the moon? Where's the moon? We've learned to create artificial moons that supply the necessary blood...
Question!
What?
Are they made of cheese?
I'm going to enjoy this far more than I should.
Crush the life out of you, you insolent little... What the... Oh my god, that's hilarious!
Get your filthy hands off him, you dirty ape!
Oh, very creative. And what exactly will you do if I don't?
I'll make you regret it! Law of mass dictates that the mass of an object dramatically increases the force of impact when said object collides with the ground, and with your size, you'll make an extensively large impact upon your inevitable defeat!
What?
The bigger they are, the harder they fall! What? Ah, stop that!
Listen, kid, you're real brave and all, but your dad's beaten and broken, and neither of you have the skill or energy to take me on.